Hello everyone, my name is Katya, and today on Internet Style we're going to be taking inspiration from the dark academia aesthetic because one of my lovely subscribers requested it. So what is dark academia? Well, Urban Dictionary defines it as an aesthetic inspired by themes of classic literature, philosophy, and existentialism, or essentially a knowledgeable vintage emo. It recently re-emerged on TikTok and became a trend on the app as well as within the online fashion community. The aesthetic is characterized by its basis on the average school uniform and in some cases professors' uniforms as well, which as you might know is actually one of my most worn styles, so this aesthetic is right up my alley. But if you want to check out all my other aesthetics, I do have a whole separate video on that, so I'll link it in the cards and in the description. But the defining characteristic that separates dark academia from generic academia is of course the overall darker color scheme, specifically the colors of black, gray, and brown, along with some deeper earthy tones such as burgundy, olive green, and mustard yellow. The most popular motifs in the dark academia aesthetic include plaid/houndstooth patterns, knit and cozy materials, and hints of velvet and corduroy. The most seen items in the dark academia aesthetic in terms of tops include turtlenecks, white button-down tops, fancy blouses, and knitwear, specifically sweaters and sweater vests. As for bottoms, tennis and pencil skirts are worn the most often, especially in combination with the plaid pattern along with cigarette and ankle pants. The most seen outerwear includes cardigans, trench coats, and long-line jackets, along with blazers, especially as a component of a 2 or 3-piece suit. The shoe of the dark academia aesthetic is most definitely the Oxford shoe, heeled or otherwise, but Mary Jane's loafers and flat patent shoes in general do make appearances, along with Doc Martens, which seem to pop up in almost every aesthetic. The accessories in this aesthetic are overall very minimalistic. We see a lot of simple dainty gold jewelry such as necklaces, rings, and watches, black and brown belts with gold accents, knee-high socks and tights, berets, clear glasses, and messenger bags. Hairstyle and makeup are simple and natural to match the minimalistic overtones of the rest of the aesthetic. Makeup gravitates towards neutral tones, and hairstyles tend to be fishtail braids, buns, and other similar updos. So I try to take all this information and boil it down into 4 trendy outfits, so let's go through them. First up, we have a look centered around this unique trench coat style dress. I thought it was perfect for this aesthetic since the color and silhouette are very remnant of traditional 50s fashion when a lot of classic literature was written. If you don't have a similar dress, a tan button down and a plaid pencil skirt would work just as well for this look. I paired the dress with these burgundy Oxford heels and white lace socks. I feel like this shoe-sock combination is perfect for any academia-inspired outfit. I accessorized with this Guess backpack in a similar color scheme to the dress, and I also added a burgundy bow to my top knot to make the outfit a little more cohesive. The second look is a little bit warmer in tone and it features this rust midi skirt with slits. I incorporated knitwear into the look with this matching long-line cardigan wrapped around a structured black blouse. I think peasant blouses match the dark academia aesthetic perfectly, especially if it has a structured waist like mine does. I also think the button detail on both the skirt and the blouse ties the look together well. If you don't have a peasant blouse and a midi skirt, you can easily switch those out for a white button down and a maxi skirt. The knit material and longer length of the cardigan gave me some librarian vibes, so I played into that with these clear round frames and yet another pair of Oxford heels. The third outfit pairs this brown plaid blazer with some matching ankle pants on top of a simple black turtleneck. This is actually a look I wear quite often, but if you want to see outfits that I wear outside of my videos, you can check out my Instagram. I post fresh fits on there weekly. I played into the red details in the pattern of the suit with the same burgundy Oxfords from the first look, and I added some minimal gold accessories with this watch, heart locket necklace, rose detail headband, and belt. I think this look combines the most dark academia components. We have the plaid, we have the blazer, the turtleneck, minimal gold accessories, the Oxfords, but really any two-piece suit, even if it's a blazer and shorts or a blazer and a skirt, will have the same effect as long as it's black, gray, or brown in color. Although the majority of the dark academia aesthetic is based on warmer earthy tones, I did want to add a cooler variation in case that's more your style. So for the fourth look, I went with this navy plaid tennis skirt and I paired it with a matching turtleneck and velvet cardigan. At this point, the outfit was feeling a little Slytherin to me, so I did add a house crest pendant necklace. The iconic schoolgirl look always includes some sort of knee-high socks, so I went with these navy ones and I paired them with my black platform Mary Janes. I also accessorized with a simple black beret and this black handbag, but I think replacing it with a briefcase would work just as well. If you're trying to copy the dark academia aesthetic but you don't have any of the specific pieces that I mentioned in your closet, you can always try taking inspiration from a movie or TV show that's set in an academic setting, such as Harry Potter, or you could pretend that you have to make your own school uniform based on the pieces you already have in your closet, and throw in some items with deeper earthy tones in there. And remember, accessories really make the outfit, especially in this case, so try throwing on some funky socks, a hat, or a bow, and see if that works for you. If you're interested in seeing more academia-inspired content, I do have a whole series on my channel about the Harry Potter franchise, so make sure you check that out after this. And let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite and what aesthetic you think I should do a video on next, because I'm always looking for new ideas. Don't forget to leave a like, click that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you.